all kinds of little fish. See the little fish?
Where?
They all swam away now.
What?
Keep walking and looking. Keep walking and looking right at the water's edge. Uh-oh. Why? Oh, is that all the fish moving? All the fish are moving the water. Hold on. You want to cross here? Let me test it. Whoa.
Wait. Why is there bubbles? Why do like your bubbles popping?
There's a lot of air in the ground. Oh, there was a tadpole, I think.
Huh?
Alright, don't step on the lily pads. Step around them. We like the lily pads.
I don't want to step on the side for the frogs.
This looks like where all the animals cross right here. Probably because it's shallow. Here you go. Watch out for that stick. Oh, you okay? Here.
How do I cross? Or are you allowed to go in every creek?
I'm taller than you and older than you. Can you tell me what this is?
Huh?
Can you tell me what this is? Don't touch it.
What is it?
Oh, I've touched the stick right here. That plant.
Poison.
There you go.
Grass trees?
No, they're not trees. It's
Lily pads.
yeah, there are more lily pads around here.
Wait, they grow on grass too?
Well, this actually is muddy area. Look at this. I'm sinking down. Be careful.
No, I sink.
Yeah, you're gonna sink in here.
I don't sink.
Yeah, you're gonna sink right here. Whoa, I got a cricket frog. Hold on, stop, stay back.
What? What is it? What is it?
Oh, where'd he go?
He's in the water. Somewhere.
He's right here.
Should I hold him?
There we go.
Oh, no, hold
Oh,
him.
hold on.
What is it?
He's a cricket frog.
Cricket.
Pretty sure.
Let me hold you.
Oh,
You're
he's
so
getting
jumpy.
away.
You're jumpy.
Now he's all covered in mud. Whoa, here you go. Reach your hand in there and get him.
Oh, you're freaky.
Tell me about that guy.
Cricket rat.
Oh,
Ew.
all right. Let's see what else we can find. Let's put him back in the water.
How about cricket frog? Oh, look at him right there. I
Yeah.
gave him a little pet.
Little pet. All
A
right.
little cute frog.